How to remove followers in Strava. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to remove followers in Strava app. So let's go. So the first thing to do is to open your Strava app on your phone. Once you've done that on your phone, on your home page that will be displayed on your phone, you would have the option to see what your friends are doing on the app. You would also have the option to subscribe to Strava app. So if you're interested, you can click on any of this option and see what to do. So you also have a list of sport activities that you've done previously or recently on the app. So on the lower part of the screen, you'd see the icons. You see the home icon, the maps icon, the record icon, the tools, the groups icon, and the U icon. And since you want to remove followers in Strava app, you simply click on the U icon, that is just the fifth and the last icon on the list of icons there. So once you've clicked on it, you wait for the page to load, and on this page, once it has loaded, at the upper part of the screen you see three icons. You see the profile icon, you see the search icon, you see the settings icon. So you simply click on the settings icon, which is the first icon on this page, and you wait for another page to load. And once this page has loaded, your profile will be displayed on your screen, where you see your name, your state, your country, numbers of followers you have, the sport activities you've done in that day, that week, that month, or the year. You also see the edit icon, you see share icon, you see a lot of things. So you can just scroll down and explore. So since you want to remove followers in Strava app, all you need to do is to click on followers. Followers is just below the profile picture icon. So once you click on followers, as you see here, I don't have any follower, but for you, you should have followers. Since you want to remove followers in Strava app, you click on the follower just like I've done here, and the list of followers you have on Strava app will be displayed on your screen. So you go through the followers, then you click on the exact follower or followers that you want to remove in Strava app. So once you've made your choice on the follower you want to delete, you simply click on the follower, and you click on, and a drop down display on your phone where you have where you'll be asked if you really want to delete the follower. So if you really want to delete this follower, you click on the yes option, and if you've reconsidered and you don't want to delete the follower, you click on no. So if you click on yes, the follower will be deleted from the list of followers that you have. So this is simply how to delete followers in Strava app. It's that simple, okay? And you can try it out too. I hope you find this video insightful. Thank you.